this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We are so glad you guys are here. We've got another cooking video for you today. I hope you're enjoying these. And as always, the recipe is in the link below. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do make any of our recipes, please come back and leave us a comment whether they worked or not. I know our tastes aren't like everyone else, and sometimes things probably could be a little spicier because I don't tend to like spice. But if you do try our recipes and they do or don't work for you, let us know. We're always looking to learn and make things better. So thanks for stopping by. Hope you're all having a wonderful and blessed day. Bye, y'all. First, I wanted to show you guys how I make my homemade sloppy joes. These are the ingredients for the sauce. You'll need tomato sauce, vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and I use yellow mustard and some barbecue sauce. I brown my meat with some onion, and you can also add bell pepper, and then I start adding the sauce ingredients. I started doing this years ago because I don't particularly like the taste of either manwich or the packets, so I just make my own. And as always, the recipe is provided in a link below. But these are our homemade sloppy joes. Another easy meal is Greek chicken or chicken souvlaki. This is probably not as authentic as what you'd get at a Greek restaurant, but it's really easy to make at home. You'll need some chicken breasts, olive oil, garlic, and you can always use fresh, a fresh lemon or lemon juice, a lot of oregano, and salt. And as always, the recipe is below. You'll take all that and mix it up in a bowl and then marinate the chicken. I just always put it in a Ziploc once I've got the marinade mixed up. Put the Ziploc bag in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And then we grill it, and then when the chicken souvlaki comes off the grill, we shred it, or we cut it into slices, and then serve it in pita bread with tzatziki, some kind of olives, either Kalamata or this mix that we really like from Sam's, some feta cheese, cucumber if you have it, and sliced red onions. We also take pita bread and stuff it with chunks of a block of mozzarella and grill that. And I'll show you all this at the end, and we often serve it with hummus and chips. And this is another really easy meal, a Greek salad with Greek chicken and pita bread stuffed with the chicken souvlaki. We both really love Greek food, and this is something that you could get several meals out of. You can make a big salad with the olives, feta, red onion, cucumber, and tomato. You can take the same ingredients that you would put in the salad and stuff it in a pita bread with the chicken souvlaki. You can put the chicken cut up on a big salad. We grill chunks of mozzarella in pita bread, or you can bake them in the oven. So this is a very versatile and easy meal if you like Greek flavors. Okay, for supper tonight, I'm whipping up some tuna patties or tuna cakes. They're like salmon croquettes, but you use tuna. Just use canned tuna, some stuffing mix, cheese, grated carrot. We're gonna mix it. We're gonna add some water to soften the stuffing mix. Gonna add some mayonnaise, seasonings, and pickle relish, and mix them up and refrigerate them. And then I'll pan fry them in a little olive oil. Favorites. These are a quick and easy pantry cheap meal. I always have these ingredients on hand. It's something I can always throw together, but we're just going to mix everything together and form them into patties. All right, I fried up the tuna cakes in a little bit of olive oil, and I made up some homemade tartar sauce. I don't ever buy tartar sauce. It's the easiest thing in the world to make. You just need mayonnaise, pickles. I like dill pickles. You could use sweet pickles, any kind you like, a little bit of pickle juice, a little bit of lemon juice, salt and pepper, and a whole lot of dill. With the tuna cakes, I made some sesame green beans. I took fresh green beans and cooked them until they're the way we like them. I like them crisp tender. Tim likes them soft, so they're soft. I drain the water, toss them, saute them in a little olive oil, and then I put Bragg's, which is my substitute for soy sauce, so you can put soy sauce, and salt and pepper, and a whole lot of sesame seeds, and that's how I make sesame green beans. If you like breakfast for dinner, another quick and easy idea is to do something that we call eggs in Purgatory. There's a lot of probably fancier gourmet recipes and definitely a lot spicier. The way I make mine is I take olive oil in the pan, and then I saute very quickly, probably under 30 seconds, a lot of minced garlic and a fair amount of crushed red chili flakes. If you want it spicy, the Purgatory being hell or spice, you would add a whole lot of red pepper flakes, and you could also add cut up peppers. I just do a few chili flakes. Saute those, and then you add crushed tomatoes. My preferred brand is this Red Gold. I'll use 1 can if it's just the 2 of us. I'll use 2 cans if I'm feeding 3 or 4 people. And then once the tomato sauce mixed with the olive oil, garlic, and chili is warmed up, I'll stir in a little salt and pepper, and then I'll make a little well in the tomato sauce and crack some eggs, and basically the eggs poach in the tomato sauce, and then we serve it over toasted bread. Rye is best. I do not have rye bread today, so I will be doing it with whole wheat. And this is one of our favorite breakfast food ideas that's not just your typical eggs, bacon, sausage, or pancakes. So let me show you how to do that. All right, to make the eggs in Purgatory, we're just simply gonna put a whole bunch of olive oil in the bottom of a pan. To the olive oil, we're gonna add a bunch of garlic. And a bunch of crushed red pepper or chili flakes, however much you want, however hot you want it.
We like it hot.
You do not want to saute that more than about 30 seconds. It will burn. Once you've sauteed the olive oil, garlic, and chili flakes, you add crushed tomatoes. This is my preferred brand.
That's good.
Once you get the tomato sauce and everything mixed up, you're gonna make little wells and crack the eggs. All right, so we're gonna continue making nests, and then we will cover these and poach them until they're done. All right, they have poached, and now we're gonna serve them up, and that is eggs in Purgatory. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. I hope if you like cooking videos, you'll hit like and comment and subscribe to our channel and come back. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.